What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Biz, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, and that's Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I got a special unboxing look for you guys at the new Off-White. So shouts out to Virgil once again. Nike Off-White, they bring to you the Air Max 97 Off-White, the black, and the Menta. We're gonna unbox both of those right here at Stadium Goods, and I also want you guys to stay tuned to the end of the video. We announced the giveaway a few weeks back for NBA 2K, and we're gonna announce the winners today. So scratch all the talking, let's get straight to these shoes. So we've got the box top right here with the Nike swoosh, and I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments. I think this colorway is actually pretty dope, but here I have the Air Max 97 times Off-White Menta. So as we get to the upper of the shoe, it's pretty much all tonal throughout with the light gray throughout the entire shoe. You'll see the mesh overlay at the top and another mesh overlay just above the midsole. And as we get to the swoosh area on the outer panel, it's fully gradient. So we have the teal right there. We have the lighter blue here and the pink towards the back. So pink, light blue, and teal, gradient swoosh. We have the air on the outer panel, which is classic to the Off-White styles. We have a white pull tab right there on the outer panel. The gray tonal laces that feature the shoelace on the tips. We have the light blue zip tie. So the light blue zip tie is featured on, I believe, the Grim Reaper Off-White blazer and also the All Hallows Eve along with the Euro exclusive Jordan 1. So we have the light blue zip tie here. Also comes with an additional set of green laces, which read the shoelaces on the back. So as we flip this shoe around, we have the gray pull tab, which you guys can see right there. Let's get right back around to the tongue that I missed out on. We have the translucent hits throughout the tongue area. We also have the Nike sportswear right there. Let's get to the inner panel of the shoe, the Off-White trademark for Nike. It's fully translucent outsole that we have here. We have the swoosh right there towards the back panel. And I'll give you guys one last look at the Off-White Air Max 97 Menta. So we're gonna transition now into the black. So here we have the black Off-White Air Max 97. And I'll give you the upper, also translucent, much like the Menta that I just showed you. The black translucent upper, but this one, unlike the Menta, has just a fully white swoosh, as the Menta had the gradient swoosh. We have the air on the outer panel, so this is black and white throughout the entire shoe. We have the black shoelaces right there. We have the light blue zip tie inner panel, the original production date of the Air Max 97. Let's check the insole of this one. Features the Off-White times a 10 logo right there on the insole. We're gonna take this to the outsole. You'll see the black translucent outsole outside of the Menta, which had the clear translucent. And also, this one has the white set of additional shoelaces that you'll see with the orange hit. So this is different for the Off-White brand. Translucent tongue once again with the black and orange Nike Sportswear logo. Black pull tab on the back area. So here's one last look at the Off-White Air Max 97 black. So as I have all three right here on the table, we've got the first of the 10. We have the black and we have the Menta. So please let me know in the comments what you think of all three and what order you got them in. So you know I always pick at the end of the video. So I think I'm leaning towards one. We got the classic version. Then I'll go Menta number 2 and then I'll go black number 3. But let me know what you guys think in the comments and which one you prefer first. Or if you don't like one, if you do like one, we want to know all your feedback. And I mentioned to you guys earlier, if you stay to the end of the video, I would announce the NBA 2K contest winner. And I have those names for you, and those are, we've got my man, Tony Ta. That's Tony Ta from Massachusetts. He wins the PS4. And we've got my man, Douglas Kim. Douglas Kim from right here in New York. He wins the Xbox. So Douglas Kim, this is for you, and we will be contacting you soon. Tony Ta, this is for you, and we will definitely be contacting you soon. Thank you guys for staying tuned and competing in our NBA 2K giveaway. But Please let me know what you guys think in the comments of the Air Max 97s, as we have these and a variety of other different styles right here at Stadium Goods. We are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube, and make sure you hit the subscribe button on our YouTube page. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Make sure, if you guys have any questions or any inquiries regarding Stadium Goods, visit stadiumgoods.com. And last but not least, follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. I am Fresco VK. This is NBA 2K, and salud.